Nollywood star ADUNNI Ade speaks out about personal struggles. Lagos, Nigeria. In a heartfelt revelation that has captured the attention of fans and the Nollywood industry alike, actress ADUNNI Ade has opened up about personal challenges she has been facing in recent times. Known for her versatility and charisma, the talented actress took to social media to share her emotion, leaving many fans concerned and inspired by her honesty. Our channel delivers the latest news and updates from the Nollywood entertainment industry. First-time viewer, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe for regular updates. ADUNNI Ade candidly reveals her intense emotional turmoil while navigating the challenges of career advancement, family responsibility and personal development. I am human too. ADUNNI Ade's emotional message. ADUNNI wrote, "Sometimes, the weight of expectation can feel unbearable. I've worked hard to put on brave face, but I realize now that it's okay to show vulnerability." The actress, a single mother of 2 boys, has often spoken about the challenges of parenting while maintaining a flourishing career in Nollywood. ADUNNI has also been vocal about societal pressures faced by women in the entertainment industry, from unrealistic beauty standards to the pressure of constant success. Fans and colleagues rally around her. The emotional post was met with an outpouring of love and support from fans and colleagues in the Nollywood community. Fellow actors such as Toyin Abraham, Funke Akindele and others left encouraging comments emphasizing the importance of seeking help and leaning on supportive community. One fan commented, "ADUNNI, you're a light in this industry. Please remember to prioritize your happiness. We're here for you." ADUNNI Ade's remarkable resilience and acting prowess have established her as a leading figure in Nollywood, with notable roles in her day and soon showcasing her exceptional skill. Nollywood supporters eagerly await ADUNNI Ade's next move amid challenges.